Hi, this is Shannon Miller from the Miller Elder Law Firm, and I'm here with Genna Fasullo and our office cat, who has yet to be named. We call her Baby Meow. We found outside. She's saying hello today. She may make another appearance later. Go ahead, baby. But we are here to talk today about Genna and our latest addition at the firm. And welcome, Genna. I just wanted to catch everybody up on who you are. And can you tell me a little bit about yourself?
Yes, of course. So I'm so happy and excited to be working with the Miller Elder Law Firm and you, Shannon, and everybody here. So I'm actually Canadian. I'm from Toronto, born and raised, and I went to law school in Lansing, Michigan at Thomas M. Cooley Law School. And I think the natural next question is typically, well, how did you end up in Florida from Canada and Michigan? And reason being, my husband and I met in law school in Michigan, and he is from Ocala, Florida. So after law school, we got married and we moved down here.
Awesome. And so what have you been doing since you graduated? First of all, when did you graduate, and what have you been up to since then?
So I graduated law school in January 2014, and I wrote and passed the New York bar exam. So I'm licensed in New York. And then we moved to Florida shortly thereafter and wrote the Florida bar exam. So I ended up becoming licensed in Florida in October of 2015, and that's actually when I started my first real job out of law school, which was working for the state attorney's office in Marion County, and I prosecuted misdemeanors and felonies for the last 4.5 years.
Have you done any jury trials?
Yes, so much fun.
How many?
Certainly over 20. 20 would be a ballpark, but.
So are you comfortable? Are you comfortable in the courtroom?
It's probably where I'm most comfortable, in fact, because I spent so much time there. But it's a lot of fun, and you really, when you get in there and you're advocating for, well, defendants or clients in this case, or the state in prosecution, it's always when you're doing something beneficial, you feel good about it, and it's fun.
Awesome. Okay, so you're moving from a criminal background into elder law. Yeah. What are you excited? Why did you apply for this job? It's quite a change for you, isn't it?
Yes, it's a huge change. But I mean, criminal prosecution wasn't something that I saw as a long-term career path. It was somewhere where I thought that I could start to gain a lot of experience. And being in Florida, I always thought that there was a need and a desire and a community that would support elder law. And Florida has so many tools and laws to help the elderly. So it's just, particularly where we are situated, it's a interesting and needed area of law.
That's awesome. So, okay. And that kind of brings us to, what we're going to talk about in our next segment, which is some of those tools. So I think that's a perfect segue to kind of leave everybody with a cliffhanger. Join us for the next segment, where we're going to talk about some of the most recent tools that have developed in Florida. And thanks, Genna, for having this conversation with me. I'm Shannon Miller with the Miller Elder Law Firm. Thank you.